Again, you're good team Mercadal, and don't forget to subscribe! I'm here to show about there's 2 days left until the deadline of the Roblox stick monitoring. I have recently known that the thing I know is that to know is while it's about to end. April 10 marks the last day to play Roblox. Deadline of the stick monitoring. Roblox is currently having a strict high-stakes meeting with the Philippine authorities, CICC and DICT. You know it? You can comment if you have suggestions. You know it? If you want to learn about it, be sure to know that you have to improve your child safety, and a news article also said that some parents support the Roblox ban in the Philippines. And truth that many parents, all the comments say, I agree, I want to get banned Roblox. Like that. Many parents said that, while the children say, no, don't ban, no, don't ban. Like that, don't ban. Like that too. Anyways, if you're a supporter of Roblox, be sure to say no to Roblox ban. Okay? I have a Roblox account. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.